What's up, guys? Check out this nanoscale or microscale. I call it nano for some reason. I don't think it is a nanoscale, but what I'm trying to say is that it is for small things like to be used in kitchen mainly. We have it for our kitchen use. My wife uses it, and maximum weight it can handle is 5,000 grams, which is 5 kg, I think. Yes, and so it is for small to weigh small things like ingredients to put in the food or something like that. So it's a very small one. Take an idea by comparing it to my hand, so don't think it's a very big one. And you can change the unit from here. Then you have some other buttons here. Let me actually install the AAA batteries that it need, and then I will show it in action. Two AAA batteries are required for this one. All right. Okay. What is this? We don't have any weight. What is going on the top? Not sure what is going on. Let me put some weight on top of it. I have not personally used it. My wife uses it, so I'm confused. Why is it that it is giving me 11 gram and then 0 grams? What is it? Is there something stuck in between or what? This is minute, this is seconds. I think this is for time. This is hell. I am confused as hell. I should have used it before making the video. The unit doesn't seem to be working, that's for sure. And if I put it flat, it says 10 grams. How is it 10 grams? Not sure. All right, now we have it on. The unit button doesn't seem to do anything on this one. See, it feels more like a fake one. This is reset it or shut it down. If I long press it, it will go down. Okay, long press it again. Just press it and it comes back to life. This is for adjusting timer, like this minutes and seconds. This is for minutes, this is for seconds. And let's try to give it some weight. For example, this is an NFC ring. See, just 4 grams. Okay, this multifunctional keyring, this is 54 grams. So measure small things. One AAA battery, 7 grams. That's its purpose. If you need something like this, you can easily find it online in case you are wondering to get something for kitchen. I wanted to share it because my wife uses it. I saw it multiple times, so I thought I should make a video as well.